Okay, so in the previous classes, we have learned about the subtraction and addition of the algebraic expressions so far. Okay, let's not say learned, we have discussed about, or let's say revised about. Okay, so I want to talk to Miss Kabya Adhikari first of all. She does not look happy today.
Yes, sir.
Kabya, I gave you a reading homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me the formula of a minus b whole square?
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Kelvin,
Yes, sir.
what would be the formula for a plus b whole square?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Okay, thank you. All right, so listen, hey, now we will learn how these formula are formulated at the beginning. Okay, the formula is कसरी आएको हो. This one we need to have the clear knowledge about the multiplication of the algebraic expression, which we already have, because we have been discussing about the multiplication of algebraic terms since class 5. It has been already more than like 3 years. We have discussing the same topic again and again. Okay, so I will take you through it briefly, shortly. Okay, we're not going in that depth. I'm just revise मात्रै गर्छौं कसरी multiply हुन्छ कस्तो खालको multiply हुन्छ. Okay, so everyone please pay very good attention to the screen that I'm about to show you all. So multiplication of algebraic expressions is a topic. We're gonna just touch it. Okay, we're just gonna revise it. That's it we're gonna do. So in multiplication, the powers of like terms are added. Like terms as in same base. Okay, multiplication ma चाहिँ same base ko power add हुँदो रहेछ. That's it. Example, as you can see, 2x square y multiplied by 6xy to the power 5. First of all, we multiply the coefficients and then we add the powers of the same bases. As you can see, the powers of x in two terms are 2 and 1, and hence the powers are added. Okay, similarly of y, and this is the final answer. Okay, this is हामीलाई यो गरिसकेका छौं के यो एकदम बेसिक कुरा हो, त्यही भएर मैले धेरै ब्रिफली लगिरहेको छैन किनभने धेरै चोटी गरिसकेका छौं. हामीले रिभाइज सोच्नु मात्रै पर्यो के हामीले यस्तो गरेको थियो, हामीले याद आउनु पर्यो सबै. ओके, this was a monomial by monomial. Okay, because 2x square y is a monomial and 6xy5 is also a monomial. Now if we go forward, we have the multiplication of binomial by monomial. Okay, so this is in the bracket, we have 7a cubed minus 4b square. All right, so it is a binomial because we have two terms there, while on the outside of the bracket we have 2ab, which is a monomial. Now, this is how we do it. Okay, we just split the monomial for both the terms in the binomial and multiply them separately. Okay, each term we have to multiply each term. यो गरिसकेका कुरा हो, मैले धेरै ब्रिफली भन्न पर्दैन. Okay, यो 6 क्लास में पढिसकेका कुरा हामीले गर्दै आएको छ, मैले धेरै ब्रिफली लगिन. Then we do this and this is our final answer. Okay, if you need to copy, you can copy. I'll give you 1 minute extra. I'm looking at your classwork for today. Let's say it's not classwork, it is a homework. Okay, can I move forward? Kelvin? Moving forward, binomial by monomial थियो अनि minus को यसमा यस्तो गरेर हामीले चाहिँ minus minus plus हुन्थ्यो अनि यस्तो गरेर हामीले निकाल्थ्यौं. अहिले के कुरा हो, the only thing the sign है. अब कुरा आउँछ binomial by binomial. अब अघिको जुन formula छ, we have just discussed about a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square कसरी already have understood in the previous classes in the grade 6 and grade 7 already. Okay, so this here we have on the screen 4b minus 2a is a binomial because we have two terms 4b and 2a, while on the other hand 7a cube and 7a cube and 4b square inside the bracket is also a binomial because we have two terms there, 7a cube and 4b square. Okay, now if we multiply, हामीले multiply गर्न आउँछ यो कुरा है, we already know how to multiply. So simple छ, 4b ले पनि दुवैलाई गर्नुपर्छ 4b has to multiply twice a also has to multiply the both terms in the second binomial. Okay, so I'm really sorry. Okay, so 4b has to multiply both of these. Hence we have this one, and twice a also has to done anything so far. All we have done is we have opened up the split into the first binomial. First जुन ब्राकेटमा छ बाइनोमियल त्यसलाई हामीले स्प्लिट गरिदियो बिकज अघि हामीले भनेको छौं कि मल्टिप्लिकेसनमा चाहिँ हामीले ब्राकेट छ भने इन्डिभिजुअली दुवै टर्मलाई हामीले सेपरेटली चाहिँ मल्टिप्लाई गर्न जरुरी छ. सी ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू टर्म्स, टू मल्टिप्लिकेसन प्रोडक्ट के रे प्रोसेस देयर. सो यो खालको त अघि भर्खरै हामीले गर्यौं. दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट अफ मोनोमियल बाइ बाइनोमियल बाइ मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल बाइ मोनोमियल अलि भर्खर डिस्कस गरेर आइसक्यौं. एन्ड सेम गोज हियर. We have already discussed about this kind as well. है भर्खरै हामी डिस्कस गरिसकेका छौं. ओके, सो यहाँ पनि हामी के गर्छौं त we split up the bracket and multiply each term individually just like this. See, हेर्नुस् त ल, 4b has to multiply 7a cube and it has. 4b has to multiply 4b square and hence it has. Again in the second one, minus twice a has to multiply 7a cube, so it has. Minus twice a again has to multiply minus 4b square and so it has. So now यसरी individually multiply गरिसकेपछि we have something like this. हामीले पावर एड गर्दिन्छौं. सेम बेस छ भने पावर एड गर्ने त हैन र. The only rule of main rule of the product of the algebraic terms are the bases of the same base powers of the same bases are added to each other. Okay, now the final answer is something like this. Okay, final answer is the kind को छ. ठीक छ. Now, okay, so multiplication of binomial by binomial बुझिन्छ नि हैन अलिअलि. So let's discuss one more time about this one. कुरा गरौँ है. मैले एक्जिट गर्दै. If you need to copy तपाईले कपी गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. एउटा एक्जाम्पल गरौँ. Let's do an example. Okay, मैले यो स्क्रिन हटाइदिए है. I think you have finished copying it. Okay, all right. So let's do one example. Or example गरौँ हामी. Suppose हामीसँगै चाहिँ छ 2a square plus 3b should multiply 3a cube minus 5b square. Okay, suppose we have a product multiplication गर्नुपर्ने छ हामीसँग यस्तो छ भने हामीलाई थाहा छ first of all we need to split the first binomial. हामीले first को binomial चाहिँ split गर्नुपर्छ giving the second binomial to each of them. Okay, so we have 2a square should multiply the second binomial which is inside the bracket and it is 3a cube minus 5b square. Okay, all right. यहाँसम्म कसैलाई केही confusion? If you have, then you can unmute yourself. अनि कसको mic unmute छ please mute गरिदिनुस् ल. Now we also give the second terms of the first binomial which is 3b the same binomial. Second binomial दिन जरुरी छ because individually multiply गर्नुपर्छ. Okay, minus 5b square. Okay, this is how you do it. Now we open up the bracket and while we do that we need to multiply the sign. Sign if there was minus it would change. तर यहाँ हेर्नुस् त दुवै मल्टिप्लायरमा 2a स्क्वायर को अगाडि पनि प्लस छ 3b को अगाडि पनि प्लस छ. So they will not change the sign at all. कुनै पनि साइनलाई इफेक्ट गर्दैन. त्यही भएर हामीले केही गरिराख्नु पर्दैन. But in case of minus, just remember minus always changes the sign in multiplication. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. So we have 2a square should multiply 3a cube plus minus minus 2a square should multiply 5b square. Okay, this is the first multiplication we have done. Now for the second one, again plus plus plus, so 3b should multiply 3a cube, again plus minus minus, so again 3b should multiply 5b square. Okay, मैले अब डाइरेक्टली गर्दै we have 2 3s are 6 a to the power 5 किनभने a को पावर एड भयो because the a and a are same bases, so a को power 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Okay, minus 2 5s are 10. We have a square, sorry, 10a square b square. Okay, 10a square b square. Again we have plus 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 a cube b minus we have 3 5s are 15 b to the power 3 because suruma b ko power 1 cha, second b ko power 2 cha. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Now we can do anything. And add pani garnu mildena, subtract pani garnu mildena. Why? Because we have unlike terms there. And so unlike terms haru matrai cha, because in order for the algebraic terms to be like to each other, not only the bases but also the powers should be same. Base matrai हैन कि power पनि same हुनु पर्छ, which are none of them are like terms to each other. यसरी चाहिँ हामी मल्टिप्लिकेसन गर्छौं है, ध्यान दिएर हेर्नु भयो. Now okay, so अब हेर्नुस् यही फर्मुला युज गरेर चाहिँ हामीले नेक्स्ट कुरा गर्यौं के भन्दाखेरि we found out the squares है. स्क्वायर को फर्मुला के रहेछ, a plus b whole square gives us a square plus 2ab plus b square and a minus b whole square equals to के दिँदैछ हामीलाई a square minus 2ab plus b square है. अब यो कसरी आयो हामी डिस्कस गर्छौं. बिफोर दैट आई एम गोना गिभ यु अ क्लास वर्क. तपाईहरुलाई एउटा क्लास वर्क दिन लाग्छु मैले, तपाईले क्लास वर्क चेक गर्नु होला. तपाईहरुले त्यो क्लास वर्कको लागि चाहिँ you will have to write it in a copy, attach the answer and submit it to me. Okay, तपाईहरुको क्लास वर्क आउन लाग्छ, तपाईले चेक गर्नुस् है. Google Classroom मा गएर please check it out. It should be there. Google Classroom मा आयो, यहाँ लोडिङ हुँदैछ. And this is the question actually. यही हो क्वेशन चाहिँ, यही हो. 2a square minus 3b to the power 4 multiplies यो क्वेशन यही हो है. तपाईहरुले आन्सर गर्न थाले हुन्छ कपीमा. Copy this question and do the answer. This is your question for the class work. Just do this in your copy and submit me the answer है. My answer submit गरिदिनुहोस्. And we will discuss furthermore. So class work आइसकेको छ, multiply भन्ने question चाहिँ यही हो है. This is the question. So you have 5 minutes to do so है. तपाईहरुसँग 5 मिनेटको टाइम छ. So binomial by binomial multiply गर्नुहोस्. Then we'll learn furthermore. There are 5 minutes है. You have 5 minutes. Take your time. Easily गर्नुहोस्. I haven't got कसैको submission पास छैन अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ मैले. It's under the topic CW12-1, okay? CW12-1.
Sir.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yeah, bonus no, please.
If the bases are same, power should be also same.
Yeah. No, multiplication ma चाहिँ base same भयो भने power add हुन्छ. If only the bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. But to add or subtract, not only the base but also the power should be same. A छ भने a नै हुनु पर्यो, a cube छ भने a cube चाहियो. ab square छ भने ab square चाहियो, a square b square छ भने a square b square चाहियो है. Also power also should be the same. You have 4 minutes. Sanisha Karkile पढाइसक्नु भएको छ. Thank you Sanisha. So what would be the answer? 6 8 5. Sanisha Karkiko अलिकति साइनमा मिस्टेक भएको छ है. Minus plus minus 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 plus हुन्छ. Sanisha, can you please check it out and do again? है थोरै मिस्टेक भएको छ. अलिकति मात्रै साइन एउटा just the sign, okay? -9 मा हजुरले +9 लेख्नु भएको छ, +15 मा हजुरले -15 लेख्नु भएको छ है. Yeah, same goes with Kriti Chhetri. कृतिको पनि त्यस्तै प्रब्लम छ है. तपाईहरुले क्वेशन नै रङ सार्नु भएको छ. एक्चुअली ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुस् त. There should be के रे प्लस मा तपाईहरु माइनस हुनु पर्ने हो है. 2a square minus 3b 4 छ नि त. क्वेशन ध्यान दिएर हेर्नु होला. Sangam ji, I have got your one, got yours as well. Yeah, Sangam ji, very correct answer. Thank you. Sangam Bhandari. Sunithit Acharya. Griffith le question wrong सार्नु भएको छ. 2a cube लेख्नु भएको छ. It's not 2a cube, it's 2a square है. अरु त राइटै छ, but like I'm gonna have to cut marks with that for the wrong question. सुनिश्चित everyone is doing हजुरको अट्याचमेन्ट आउनु पर्ने हो है क्वेशन यही हो हजुरले सिधै गर्दा हुन्छ है अट्याचमेन्ट गर्नु मिल्छ दिस इज द क्वेशन करुण भुजेलको पनि आइसकेको छ you have 2 minutes है you have 2 minutes सबैजनासँग 2 minutes छ Karun Bhujial also has copied the wrong question. It's 3a cube, right? Not 3a square.
Sir. Sir.
Hazur Salina ji.
I am using laptop. There is no attachment. Can I see it?
यसो गर्नुस् न गरेर राख्नुस् अनि भरे मोबाइलबाट स्न्याप गरेर पठाइदिनुस् न है till today बेलुकासम्ममा है.
Excuse me sir, my also same problem.
Who's
laptop
प्रसनको प्रसन पनि त्यही गर्नुस् न ओके बेलुकासम्म मलाई सबमिट गरिदिनुस् न है सो इट्स बेटर इफ यु युज ल्यापटप र मोबाइल सँगै किनभने मोबाइलबाट चाहिँ हाम्रो क्लास वर्कहरु गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ नि त स्वस्तिका नकर्मीले चाहिँ यु हेभ एडेड द एल्जेब्रिक टर्म्स having different powers है त्यो गर्न पाइँदैन स्वस्तिका नकर्मी जी in order for them to be added उनीहरुसँग एड हुनलाई चाहिँ they must be like terms as in base र power दुबै सेम हुनुपर्छ है आर्यन उचिको पनि आइसकेको छ thank you Aryan very correct answer I'm just checking your works है प्राइसका जी को पनि आइसकेको छ thank you Praiska so you are also a correct answer okay Salina and Prasan do submit it later on okay अहिले भरे मोबाइल पाएपछि गर्नुस् न है गौरव बाबुको पनि साइनमै प्रब्लम छ गौरव बाबु श्रेष्ठ हजुरले एकचोटी चेक गरिदिनुस् न है सुप्रिम श्रेष्ठको इट्स कम्प्लिटली रङ सुप्रिमले सुप्रिम क्यान यु प्लिज टर्न अन द माइक
यस सर
सुप्रिमको कम्प्लिटली रङ छ बाबु डु यु हेभ प्रब्लम अंडरस्ट्यान्डिङ दिस वन हामीले गरिसक्यौ
सर आई जस्ट केम नाउ बिकज माय इन्टरनेट वाज गन
ओके सो Supreme को चाहिँ completely wrong छ अनि त्यसको लागि you will have to check this video out first. Second of all यो हामीले गरिसक्या हो के Supreme we have done this already अनि you should be able to do this okay
okay sir
करुण जी को एउटा सानो मिस्टेक भएको छ फेरि पनि एकचोटी रिचेक गर्नु होला प्लिज डु रिचेक इट अनि फेरि पठाउनु होला 3515 हुनुपर्नेमा हजुरले अर्कै लेख्नु भएको छ क्यान यु प्लिज चेक दिस आउट एन्ड सेन्ड अगेन केल्भिन सापकोटाको आइसकेको छ थ्यांक यू केल्भिन ओके नितु राउत भनेको मेबी प्रज्वल राउत क्यान आई प्लिज टक टु यु निर्विक और लेट्स से प्रज्वल निर्विक आर यु देयर प्रज्वल राउत आर यु देयर हजुरको साउन्ड आइराको छैन हजुरले त्यो पिक्चर अट्याच गर्नु भएको छैन प्रज्वल जी you have to attach the picture hey you have to attach the picture अनि काव्याजी को मैले पाए I don't think I have got from you what happened काव्याजी anything wrong
sir I'm sending now
hey okay thank you only 12 students okay प्रेसना को आछ भर्खरै
sir I don't have a mobile phone can I send at night
yeah please of course you can but you will have to send it hey?
okay sir
तपाईले सेम चाहिँ गर्नै पर्छ you have to turn in the work okay 1 more minute and we'll move forward है 1 मिनेट पछि हामी अर्को टपिकमा जान्छौं अर्को टपिक यही हो बट डिफरेन्ट थिङ स्नेहा टर्न इन आइसकेको छ क्लास वर्क के दिलासा जी को पनि आयो भर्खरै थ्यांक यू दिलासा प्रज्वल राउत को अझै पनि आएको छैन you will have to attach the picture there should be an option to attach the picture puzzle okay all right so let's move forward हामी अगाडि हेरौं है त okay so कसरी फर्मुला कसरी आयो भन्दाखेरि it's pretty easy है सबैले ध्यान दिएर please pay attention here अगाडि ध्यान दिनुस् सबैले everyone please pay attention right so हामीलाई के थाहा छ भन्दाखेरि 2 square means 2 into 2 3 square means 3 times 3 4 square means 4 into 4 x square means x times x भनेपछि स्क्वायर भनेको सेम नम्बरलाई दुईचोटी मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने या सो यसरी नै a square a plus b होल स्क्वायर भनेको चाहिँ a plus b into a plus b हो अलराइट सो a plus b होल स्क्वायर भनेको चाहिँ के हो त a plus b multiplied by a plus b. ठीक छ? Do you understand? So जसरी 2 square भनेको 2 times 2 हो, 4 square भनेको 4 times 4. Likewise, a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Okay? ठीक छ? So and it goes on. So हामीले भर्खरै यो मल्टिप्लाई गर्न सिक्यौं क्या. In the second, in the right hand side हेर्नुस् त. यो मैले मार्क गरेको साइडमा हेर्नुस् त. This is the multiplication of the binomials. Binomial को multiplication हो. We have already done this one. भर्खरै गर्यौं हामीले. So the process हामीलाई पुरै थाहा छ हेर्नुस् त ल. This process we have done this process already wholly. Okay, so we have this one. यो कसरी हामीलाई थाहा छ भर्खरै हामीले गरेछौं क्या. So a into a gives us a square, a into b gives us ab, b into a also gives us ab, and b into b gives us b square. So we have ab plus ab. त्यहाँ दुईटा ab छ हेर्नुस् है. अघि चाहिँ हामीसँग we didn't have any like terms in the final one. तर यहाँ चाहिँ हामीसँग हेर्नुस् त ab र ab छ के. Same base, same like terms again, same base and same power. AB power पनि 1 1. That means they are the like terms. So if we see like terms, we can add them or subtract them according to the process given there. In which case, in our case, it is addition. So AB plus AB will give us 2AB. Okay, AB plus AB will give us 2AB. So this is how the formula came. You keep on exactly, this is only the multiplication of the binomials. A plus B into A plus B. Alright? Moving forward, our formula is A minus B whole square formula. Okay? So this is also the same thing. The same thing. So A minus B whole square means A minus B times A minus B. This is also the multiplication of the binomial. And the first step, we split the first binomial. In the second step, we just split the brackets, open up the brackets by multiplying the sign. Now we get a square minus AB plus B square. But we have AB and AB are the same. They are the like terms. And they also have the same sign. Minus nahi bhaye pani same sign cha bhanda add huncha. So AB plus AB gives us 2AB. So since dubaima minus cha, minus. So the formula of the A minus B whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so is there anything, anyone? Okay, so an example how to use this. Okay, the example suppose find the square of let's say find the square of 2A minus B. 2A minus B. Okay, can I please talk to Sunishit Acharya? Sunishit Acharya. Sunishit, are you there? Okay, Sunishit is not here, I guess. So let me talk to Kajal Oli. Kajal ji, can you please tell me the formula of A minus B whole square?
A minus
Yes.
B.
A minus B whole square formula मलाई भन्नु सक्नुहुन्छ? Confused भयो? Right? Okay, so Kajal ji, you need to understand this one, that we need to remember the formula. Right? It's a very important formula that we're going to use. Okay, so अगाडि हेर्नु सबैले square of 2A minus B भनेको त 2A minus B को whole square हो. Okay, so यसलाई यस्तो झसक्कै हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ कुन फर्ममा छ त A minus B whole square को फर्ममा छ. This is in the form of A minus B whole square. Okay, अब हामीले एक ठाउँमा के छ, but we have in the 2A in the place of A. एक ठाउँमा 2A छ, B को ठाउँमा चाहिँ B नै छ. Okay, let's say in fact यहाँनिर चाहिँ B को ठाउँमा चाहिँ हामी 3B राख्दिम न. 3B. Okay, so A को ठाउँमा चाहिँ 2A छ, B को ठाउँमा 3B छ. Formula लाउने same हो है. So price का जी, can you please tell me the formula to find out the A minus B whole square?
A square minus 2AB plus B square.
Good. A square minus 2AB plus B square. So can you please tell me what is in the place of A? हाम्रो केसमा A को ठाउँमा के छ?
2A.
2A. Very good. So A square. हेर्नुस् है. अघि चाहिँ A square थियो, but in our case there is 2A in the place of A. So 2A square minus 2 into A into B. हेर्नुस् है. मैले तल लेख्दिए है, मैले नमिल्ने रहेछ. So हेर्नुस् है राम्रोसँग. Please look at the screen carefully. यो बुझिन गाह्रो छ. हेर्नुस् है. 2AB In the place of A, there is 2A. In the place of B, there is 3B. Okay? Plus B square means 3B को square. है अब 2A को whole square भनेको 2 को square, A को square minus यहाँ हेर्नुस् त नम्बर मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुस् 2 2 जा 4 3 जा 12 AB plus 3 को square B को square. अब 2 square means 4, 4A square minus 12AB plus 9B square. ल हेर्नुस् त यहाँ अब हामीले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु हैन कि we need to use the formula. That's why we have to remember the formula. है So we have to open it in the form of A square minus 2AB plus B square. So we have to remember in the place of A there is 2A and in the place of B there is 3B. Okay, this is how we are going to do, or how we are going to find the square of the squares of the given binomials. हामी दिएको binomial square चाहिँ formula use गरेर चाहिँ हामी गर्छौं. So यो कुरालाई हामी further next class मा continue गर्छौं. We will continue this one in the further class, next class. For this one आजको लागि तपाईहरुको लागि चाहिँ मैले असाइनमेन्ट दिएको छु त्यही टपिकमा CW12 1 मै एउटा टप दिएको छु मैले. There are 2 questions and तपाईहरुले त्यसमा पनि अट्याच गरेर पढ्नु पर्ने छ. I have just given you the questions. Please submit the answers in time and don't worry if you are unable to, like if you had problem understanding this one. We will discuss this one in the next class as well. Right? And next class we will discuss some. However, there will be videos that will be uploaded soon in the YouTube channel. So check that out as well. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope this was a fruitful class. Have a good day. And don't worry, I'm next class. I'm going to discuss some. Right? All right. Thank you everyone. Bye.